Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Credit One credit card. That's going to be a quick video, so let's get straight into it. So first thing you want to do is go to Credit One's website, and then once you logged into your account, you just want to click on apply now. So log into your account with your credentials, and then once you're logged in, click on apply now. And next, you got to fill out the online application form with your personal and your financial information. And once that's done, just review to make sure the information is accurate, and then submit the application. All you got to do after that is just wait for Credit One to review and respond to your application. And once they respond to it, you want to review that response and accept the credit card terms and conditions, and then you can go ahead and activate your credit card once you receive it. Now you can make sure that you make your first payments and start using your credit card. You could also consider setting up online account access as well as automatic payments, because that's going to save you a lot of headaches later on. So yeah, that's pretty much it for how to apply for a Credit One credit card. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.